Now, since I don't do that ever, I feel like this is a special opportunity to actually see what the dealer would charge.
Now I know what you're thinking. Why is this idiot with an I am the warranty t-shirt taking a $2 million McLaren P1 to the dealer after it's been in a major hurricane? Well, since I picked up this car and started to rebuild it, I wanted to make sure that everything we did was to factory standards or better, and that we didn't cut any corners.
Okay, there we go.
In the last episode, we took out the fuel tank and the very expensive hybrid battery, so the car could be inspected properly. But there was still quite a bit of work to do before the dealership could put eyes on my soggy McNuggin.
Alright, so we have now dry ice cleaned this car, and there's still a ton of sand in it. Now,